Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. And as promised, I have a setup video for you for my 2019 winter workshop. I used my Get to Workbook planner and upcycled it from 2017 into 2019. So just wanted to give you a backdrop, a flip through, as well as a few demonstrations on how I set up my planner to cover April through October of the same year while I do my writing retreats, as well as my 1,000 hours of just journaling my journey as a small business owner. If you've been on my channel and you've subscribed, you know that I love the Caribbean. And I thought that this 3M full adhesive would cover the theme of what I wanted to do, as well as, provide the versatility that I needed in order to set up my planner, do a stamping staycation, and organize all of the videos, the podcasts, the blogs that I needed to produce after my writing retreats were over. So as you can see here, I'm trying to wing it per se, and I really don't recommend that, because if you can tell, one of the problems you run into is if you're trying to create a certain theme or a sequence, you quickly fall out of knowing which color goes next. So what I did was I went ahead and reset up what my original pattern was, which is my original intent, and then went to correct a lot of the positions of which post-it note goes where. So if you're a designer, or even want to do a fun spread or layout, my recommendation is to go ahead and plan out how you're going to do your layout before you actually video record or do your podcast. The next thing that I did was, and I'll go more in detail about it later this week, is I participated in a fast and prayer with Sharon Bolin Yurablee's ministry, and I went ahead and set up February to annotate, notes on what I discovered each day as the 21-day fast. She provided not only the scripture, a story, as well as her personal insight on Joseph. So like she promised, you've never experienced the story of Joseph the way she lays it out. But let me go on into another backdrop and another setting for you, so you can see how the same camera functions within a different setting. Mind you, this is the C270 webcam, and I decided to go ahead and film the same book that I used in a previous one with just a lighter backdrop to show you, if you have this camera or even a higher version, you can do planner videos, setups, as well as me, as I share with you more artisan admin tips, tools, and techniques in annotating your journey. Join me this week.